2015 and newer Chevy and GMC truck and SUV front sway bar link replacement. The sway bar link is located on both sides of the front of the car, of the truck. That one is broken. Since that car's about 90,000 miles in 2015, I'm going to replace both sides. Let's go. That one's already broken, so I'm going to remove the top bolt. Now, since it's broken, I can't add nothing to hold it in place. I'm gonna use a vice grip like this, right? And a 15mm. Make sure that you load the thread with some plaster or the WD-40. Okay, so let's break the bolt through. Well, surprise, it wasn't necessary at all. It was so loose that I can actually take the wad out without. There you go, it's coming out. There it is. Easy peasy. So now the driver's side is complete. It's complete. It's not broken at all. So we're gonna use once again lubricant, and I'm gonna use the 15mm wrench on top, and the 15mm socket at the bottom, and remove it. I have the wrench on top like this, and I put the gun at the bottom to take it off. By the way, this job can be done with regular hand tools. Okay, it's really not necessary to use what I'm using right now. Just make stuff easier. That's all. So we got the top nut off. So let's just pull the wad out, just like that. There it is. So here is the new sway bar link. We're gonna have to take it apart so we can put it to the car. Start by removing the top nut. Right. So you basically do something like this, okay? So let's go to the truck now. So what you do, you insert the wad first, and you put that plastic piece in between and the wad, okay? So you basically do something like this, okay? You put both sides in just like that, and we're going to tie them down now, okay? There it is. So to make life easier, those bolts have a tendency to not thread in, right? Because the suspension is dropped. So what I will recommend you to do is use the regular floor jack. If you DIY, use a floor jack like this so you can tie the bolt. Since the truck is on the lift right now, suspension drop, I have to use a post jack like this so I can tie it down. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Everything is done. I had to use the post jack on the passenger side also. Everything is good. No more noise. That's one of the symptoms. Whenever you drive the car over a bump, you're gonna hear noise, because that metal wire that's inside the sway bar link hitting the lower control arm or the sway bar itself. That's why you have that clicking noise. I'll post the link for the bus in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.